Yo, it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to show you how to take any sweater or shirt and make cute little ties at each side so it comes in more at the waist. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. Just a cute little tie on the side. All you need is a good pair of fabric scissors, and we're just going to go to the very side of the sweater. If there's a seam down the side, that makes it easy. If not, you'll just stretch your sweater out nice and flat, and then you'll see exactly where to cut it on the side, just right into that fold there. You're just gonna put your scissors in and cut up about the length of a finger, and then you're just gonna pull it a bit. This isn't gonna fray if it's a sweatshirt because it's a knit fabric, so it will hold tight like that. And now you're just gonna tie this into a knot. So just through each other like that, and then again one more time, just like that. And now we'll see what it looks like when it's on. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. So you have this cute little tie on the side of your sweater. It just cinches it in at the waist, gives it a nice finished look under the bottom, tucks it under a bit, gives it that little tuck look without actually having to tuck it in. You can do this to any cotton shirt or sweater. Super easy to do. Thanks for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.